Welcome to Excel class 1. In this class, I will tell you that how the Excel will work with you. So first of all, you can see if I will click here on the single column, it is known as the cell. If I'm selecting all the columns, it is known as rows. In short, A, B, C, D is known as the column and 1, 2, 3 are known as the rows. If you want to check that how many rows and how many columns are here, just click here and press Control and arrow key. You will come to the last column. Control and left arrow key, you will come to the first column. After this, I just want to mention here serial number. So I will type here 1, press enter, then type here 2. After this, again press enter. Now just select it. Selecting means you have to place your mouse here and then select. Now keep your mouse here. When your plus will convert it in a thin plus, then you can drag it. It will come like this. In the same way, if you want to mention Sunday, Monday, I'm typing here Sunday and Monday. Press enter. After this, select both. How to select? Place your mouse here and then select. And then just drag it like this. Okay, this part is clear. In the same way, you can type here January, February also. We'll type here Jan and then we will type here Feb. We will select both and then simply drag. Again, I'm telling you how to select. Place your mouse here in the center. Click and then select. No need to drag. Dragging means place your mouse here and then drag. This is known as dragging. Like this you can do. Now I'm going to tell you how to apply the formula. So first of all, select all and click on this merge center. And now I'm going to type here formulas. Press enter. Now do the single click, only one click. Do the single click here. You can fill the color as per your choice. You can also change the color style and you can also make it big, bold, italic, underline. After this, here I just want to put the name. Suppose I'm going to apply the formula of sum, then difference, then multiply, and after that, divide. Now, I want to increase the size of it, select all, and you can increase the size from here, but it is going to cut. It is not showing the fully spelling. So how we can set? We will just select from here to here. Click here on this format option and choose out of it column width. Again, I'm telling you, select whatever you want to set. Go here on format, choose out of it column width. It will be set automatically. Now I'm just typing few number like this. Few numbers I'm typing in difference. Few numbers I'm typing in multiply. And few numbers I'm typing in divide. Here I will apply the formula. So I'm going to color it so that you can see properly. How we can apply the sum formula? For this, we will use equal. We have many numbers, so we will work on cell address. What is cell address? As you can see, I have typed 12 here. So 12, column number A, row number 2. So sorry, row number 4. So the cell address is A4. What is the cell address of 5? Column number C, row number 4. So cell address is C4. What is the number of 45? Column number C, row number 7. So C7. Cell address of 45. Anish, tell me what is the cell address of 45? Column number A, row number 7. So cell address is A7. Now I'm going to apply the formula. I'm telling you the shortcut so that you can apply the formula easily. We will click here on equal. This is the formula of sum. So we will type here sum, bracket open. Now select all the numbers. When we select all the numbers, cell address will come A4 is to A7. Bracket close and enter. In the same way, difference, equal, we will click here, minus, click here. We will take cell address, not a number. The reason is this, in place of 74, if I will type 52, then formula will change automatically. In place of 85, if I will type 446, then it will change automatically. Same in the multiply, it's compulsory that formula will always start with multiply sign. We will type here, product, bracket open, select all the number and bracket close, it will show you the product. Divide equal this upon this. We have two numbers, so I'm applying like this. Okay. So in some formula, you can see here on this formula bar that what formula you have applied. Divide formula, product formula, all formulas you can check here. I hope this part is clear for you. Now just firstly do till here.